Releasing dopamine.
What's up guys, boys and coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
brand new banger?
This a bubbles.
Why you do it, John?
But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching, right into it. Alright peeps, we're there now, Monday. So happy Monday to y'all beautiful people. Anyway, over the weekend, crazy rain been falling. Yeah, streets are flood out. Mr. Wellness, we go on for the drainage then. Yeah, so we have some clips from the streets. Every time when rain fall, I just be a madness. Ready, make we get right tonight.
So if you are venturing to New Kingston, and as you can see over there, we have a geyser. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a geyser in New Kingston. Yeah, I'm telling you ladies, right now we're currently exiting Real New Kingston. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second phase of Real New Kingston. As you can see people, what a bomb clot Devon House is washing away. The fucking Devon House is washing away. People, Devon is washing away. People, as you can see, we're currently still going through this. Bad man don't say cold front. This temperature, this weather conditions what you're going through at the Real New Kingston. Ladies and gentlemen, avoid New Kingston. Please and thanks. Please, if you drive a low car, avoid New Kingston. Avoid Real New Kingston, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Real New Kingston. As you can see, we have a sinking ship. Ladies and gentlemen, the fucking ship sunk. It fucking sunk, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're venturing through New Kingston, don't come. Don't come over here, people. As you can see, everybody is driving their four-way on. The fucking place is flooding out.
What?
The fucking place is flooding out.
What?
The PMP plan for us. The PMP plan for us.
Really?
They're getting us out. But we vote them out. The fucking place is what a bumbucklad lightning. Hey boy! Hey lightning though!
Yo, y'all see that? Let me show you some other clips. Wagwan on the streets, I wagwan in a Kingston when rain fall, and then I give my 2 cents on the matter.
See it there, you know? Oh dear.
Alright peeps, so you guys see the clips, right? It no look good. And if I can recall, yeah, I think is maybe earlier this year or late last year, the government say, yes, I quote, them are going to put aside how much $100 million to start work on a drainage project in a Kingston. Me remember that. Alright? Me don't know if you remember, but me remember. Alright? And I'll know. Me can't see nobody start the first phase right to fix the drainage them and the guys are them and all them thing there. Look on the road. Prime Minister, something need to do. Look on the road. I mean, I blame the government them alone too. I blame people too. You know why the guys are them and them thing they full up and plug up like that? Cause people, when them name food, yeah, and them drink out of them juice and so, nobody now put nothing in the garbage bin. Just dash it on the road. Yeah. And when that wash and going at the guys that go way out of, me never remember the name of that place there. And just block up there so and go in at the gully. So me never now blame the government alone. Something needs to be done though.
Okay, on that second order, you want some to eat?
Yeah, babe.
You got money?
No.
Okay, I got you. That's it for the second order. That's okay, I'm gonna cancel that.
Wait, hold on. That's you for real?
Thank you.
You for real?
What happened?
You not gonna give me nothing to eat for real?
Nah, man, y'all be having us confused. You said we friends, like, damn, you ain't my babe, like. Oh! Cool and all, man, but you know what I'm saying? You got your own money. I seen you at the club last night anyway. Don't fucking, nah, bro.
So I'm just gonna sit here and watch you eat.
No, you ain't gotta watch me close your eye, go to sleep or whatever, man, but I ain't going for it. Y'all already be, you know what I'm saying, doing my homeboys dirty, taking Miami trips, going to girls, get your nails and eyebrows done, which your eyebrows still don't even be ready, man, but still, you know what I'm saying, you balling off my homeboy for one. I mean, I'm cool with you and all, but I ain't, nah, bro. You ain't getting both of us. You can get him, but I'm not going for it.
So you tell...
Yo. Me rate that you there. Me rate him. The man say, yo, me not the pan a yamed thing. Remember you say, we just friends, you know. You know what I mean? Plus, yeah, ball off of my homeboy. You see it? Yeah. So the man say, and I buy nothing for you, remember say last night. You floss off of the thing in the club and your eyebrow here did and all them thing there. Yeah, man say friends one. You know I get my money. I not buy nothing give you. We friends, so you better shell out your money. Barcelona need him. I bet if that crowd did up on Barcelona side, them wanna never get that yet there. Them wanna never get that yet there. Oh God, you need to sign Meso Mumu right now. Barcelona.
Hello?
Hey, this is Kel Sophie's boyfriend. I was calling to see if you knew where she was at.
Hey, no, I don't know where she's at. Wow, what's up?
I mean, she was supposed to be home like 2 hours ago, and I've been calling her, and she hasn't picked up, and I've not heard nothing from her, so I was just trying to see if you knew.
No, I haven't talked to Sophie at all today. But I mean, if you want me to, I can come over and we can watch Netflix and chill. Oh! Sophie ain't got enough. Does she?
Bitch, what? The fuck?
Oh, shit.
Oh!
Them gal are wicked, them wicked. Oh! Oh my god, he's got a fucking knife. that I've never shown out here on my own.
Again, you can't sing. Sorry about that. It is
You
true.
have to stop it though, you're too awful.
Yeah.
You're too awful, you have to stop it. There's a big bully. There's a big bully, you must stop it.
Yo, my God, why pray? No long me hear from your dog. Buck out, why chop you now?
I pray now, my dead God friend. And I know see a day I'm there, I'm gonna go and hold them. From what day me in a graveyard still in a dog, you see me? That's why I even 3 years from me dog. A little while me this stew up 2 black bum buck lad cat, you know. You see me sacrifice 2 black cat and stew them up, you see me, cause you have your man say from me and him black cat in a dog. He look really powers real and he can't done, you see me. Bum buck lad. And I know say dog is a dopey this because me gathering off of me and my out and a jankle stays and fly gone with it.
Alright peeps. Hope you enjoy the little video there and thing. As I say peeps, if you don't have any videos you want me to review to or respond to or react to or whatever, just let me know. I put the Sinus Gaming WhatsApp number down below. Yeah. And shot me that message there and thing. But on a serious note still, Prime Minister, we need to sort out them drainage system there, cause there's a video on Chelsea Avenue, the place was flood out. Next one, the road near Crossroad, that flood out. As you can see, Lebanos flood out. It crazy. So we need something to be done, because every time when rain fall, them places just underwater. In half a tree, flood out. In front of JN and the bus center, flood out. But anyway peeps, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and just go on journey with your boy. Until next time. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo, serving out the window. Having 9 3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.